How to return and get a refund on the items of AliExpress. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can First of all, make sure you have installed this very application from the Google Store. Also sign into the very account. Now tap on the very account section on the down right side. Now from here you can see the very options of my orders. Just tap on the view all option, which is just right here on the top right side below the notification, and on the right side of my orders tap on the view all option. Now you will see all the products that you have ordered from there. Now you can simply return to it, but sometimes you might have to verify why you want to return it because of the policies of the AliExpress. And after you verify and solve all the credentials that's shown on the very screen, you are done and you have already returned, and you can also get a refund of the very item that you just did. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.